Numerous people mistake pity for sorrow. Bitterness is a characteristic express, a vital piece of living. Companionships end. Passing takes friends and family. Life furnishes us with a lot of motivations to feel dismal. Feeling dismal is fitting at such occasions, and basic. The need to grieve, to feel trouble, is a fundamental piece of being human. At the point when we respect trouble, it gives us fundamental space for self-reflection, and more noteworthy sympathy and empathy. It likewise may urge us to perceive troublesome realities or move us to settle on better decisions. Sorrow, nonetheless, offers no comfort. It ruthlessly attacks us and advances sadness. This is on the grounds that downturn is certifiably not an unadulterated inclination, however a push to avert a perplexing blend of undesirable ones. Outrage, disappointment, disturbance, and anguish are emotions we will in general find unfortunate. We would prefer not to feel them. At the point when we're discouraged, we're participating in a mystic fight to abrogate these undesirable sentiments. Normal mystic safeguards against agonizing emotions incorporate refusal, disregarding sentiments, projection, moving sentiments onto others, defense, making light of emotions, or gorging, endeavoring to fill the void we feel inside. Sadly, as long as the genuine reasons for our downturn stay unaddressed, it will return over and over. Chase down the cause of your depression. As opposed to review sorrow as a beast to escape from, look at it without flinching, explore the sentiments that you are discouraging and maintaining a strategic distance from. For instance, you may state, "I feel discouraged today." The inquiries that follow ought to be, why today? What am I overlooking? What issue am I not tending to? Here's a rundown of the most well-known circumstances that regularly trigger sadness. An unresolved conflict. Is there an issue in one of your connections? Is there something at work that is disrupting you? Unaddressed clashes cause ceaseless mental pressure and are principal to numerous types of discouragement. A repetition compulsion. Search for a typical topic in your downturn, one that rehashes itself. This is frequently a reiteration of early encounters throughout your life. The most widely recognized subjects I hear in my office include, "I'm generally the outcast, I can't confide in anybody, and nobody gets me." Without knowledge, we get caught in a monotonous cycle and rehash a similar issue again and again. Discover what that uncertain piece of your history is that you continue replaying. Self-neglect. Burnout and sadness go connected at the hip. At the point when you disregard yourself, everybody endures. You're unpleasant to associate with, you despise work or play, and you drag others down with you. Prize yourself, treat yourself, and give yourself the consideration and TLC you need. You'll be shocked how much better you'll feel. Self-slander. Low confidence and self-criticize are the significant main thrusts of all types of discouragement. These negative interior voices shape your mental self-portrait and the manner in which you see yourself as well as other people. You'll begin to consider others to be preferable and all the more engaging over you, in any event, when it's false. Such poisonous assertions channel your vitality and leave you perpetually disappointed. All things considered, in case you're continually revealing to yourself that you're feeble or ugly, you in the long run will get both. Doing combating depression. To extricate the grasp of despondency, you'll have to make a move, bunches of it. Standing up to misery resembles going into fight. Here's a rundown of territories throughout your life that may require consideration. Body. Exercise. A 30 to 40-minute cardio exercise 3 times each week can lessen sorrow side effects. Strolling or running is likewise an extraordinary method to clear your head. Rest. Excessively little or a lot of rest can trigger wretchedness side effects. Go for 7 to 8 hours of the night. Attempt your best to be reliable. Diet. Research has demonstrated a relationship between high sugar, high fat weight control plans and sadness. Attempt to stay away from nourishments that cause you to feel drowsy, as this would realize antagonism. Brain. Innovativeness. Animate your creative mind with new encounters, appreciate verse, workmanship, theater, music, or attempt to reconnect with abilities you've dismissed. Psychotherapy. Put resources into getting yourself and breaking pointless examples. Training. Challenge yourself by obtaining new aptitudes, take classes or go to addresses. Soul. Reflection. Figure out how to quiet your musings and loosen up your brain through reciting, contemplation, yoga, or different orders. Benevolent acts. Helping other people will get you off of your mind and motivate you. Search for chances to chip in your locale. Confidence. Think about profound issues, investigate various methods of reasoning and convictions. At the point when misery shows up in your life, consider it a weep for help from your psyche. Hear it out, discover what it's attempting to let you know. In the event that you've been discouraged for quite a while, antidepressants can give you the vitality to settle on new decisions. Be that as it may, however drug may cause you to feel better, the fix to melancholy is still in your grasp. Just when you face and comprehend the genuine reason for your downturn, at that point make a move to address it. Will you at long last be freed from it regardless of what the temperature outside?